Now in this part we will give the proof of theorem number 2. And you know, proof having two parts, statements and reasons. There are two columns. First is of statements and other is of reasons. As you know, there are two triangles, PAC and PBC. They are two triangles, and in these two triangles, PA and PB sides are congruent to each other. So we will compare these two triangles ACP with correspondence to triangle BCP. Both triangles will be compared according to their sides and angles. So PA of triangle ACP is congruent to PB side of triangle BPC. This statement was given in the statement of theorem. So we will write here given. Under the reason we will write given. It was given in the statement. PC side is congruent to PC. This is the same side which is used in both triangles, so it is common side, and common sides are congruent to each other. AC side is congruent to BC side. This was construction. When we construct the bisector and then join P to A and P to B. Hence PA PB was the equal sides given, and AC and BC are constructed equal in measurement because C is the midpoint, so AC and BC are congruent to each other. And we have draw this bisector and bisect this line AB into two parts, AC and BC. So we write AC is congruent to BC, and the reason is construction because we construct this side. According to side equals to side, both triangles are congruent. Triangle ACP and triangle BCP are congruent now according to SSS equals to SSS. Means as according to SSS postulate, side postulate, they are congruent. When, as you know, that when two triangles are congruent, their remaining sides and angles are also congruent. So angle ACP of triangle PAC, angle ACP, this is the angle ACP and this is the angle BCP. Both are congruent to each other because they are the angles of congruent triangles. Their corresponding angles are congruent according to SSS postulate. Now we will write here the reason corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Hence angle ACP will be congruent to but this is equation number 1. But as we know that all the sum of all the angles on a straight line will be equals to is always equal to 180 degrees according to supplementary angles. So measurement angle ACP plus measurement angle BCP will be equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees, this is equation number 2, and the reason is supplementary angles. When these two angles are congruent and their sum is 180, so we can say that angle ACP will be equals to angle BCP and both are equals to 90 degrees. That is, PC is perpendicular to AB. This PC line is perpendicular to BC because angle ACP is equals to 90 degrees, which was proved in this statement. And so we can write PC is perpendicular to AB because all the lines which make 90 degrees angle of 90 degrees with other line are known as perpendicular. So we will write here PC is perpendicular to AB due to this statement. This is equation number 3. Reason is angle ACP is equals to 90 degrees. Also CA is the side of triangle. ACP will be equals to or will be congruent to CB side of its corresponding triangle. It is reason is construction, and this is equation number 4. Its reason is construction. We construct the sides, these two sides by by drawing a perpendicular. So PC is a right bisector. This PC is not only a perpendicular, it is also a right bisector of AB. This is right bisector of AB because it passes through midpoint of AB and making angle of 90 degrees with AB. So for these two reasons, we can say PC is a right bisector of AB, and it is very clear that P is the point of right bisector PC, which is the right bisector of line segment AB.